Aircraft Battery Management System (BMS) Market Report. According to Cognitive Market Research, the global aircraft battery management system (BMS) market size is $19,642.5 million in 2024. It will expand at a CAGR of 8% from 2024 to 2031. North America Aircraft Battery Management System (BMS) market size of $7,857.00 million in 2024 and will grow at a CAGR of 6.2% from 2024 to 2031. Europe Aircraft Battery Management System (BMS) market size of $5,892.75 million. Asia Pacific Aircraft Battery Management System (BMS) market size of $4,517.78 million in 2024 and will grow at a CAGR of 10% from 2024 to 2031. Latin America Aircraft Battery Management System (BMS) market size of $982.13 million in 2024 and will grow at a CAGR of 7.4% from 2024 to 2031. Middle East and Africa Aircraft Battery Management System (BMS) market size of $392.85 million in 2024 and will grow at a CAGR of 7.7% from 2024 to 2031. Access the free sample copy to know the market dynamics, competitor analysis, regional analysis, country analysis, segment analysis, market trends, technological trends, SWOT analysis, and more.